channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So 5 months ago, I released this video. It is our sweet potato tortilla recipe, and it is delicious, and we got so many responses from you. Actually, it's one of our most popular videos on the channel. However, there were a few of you guys in the comments who said that you were gluten intolerant, so you really didn't get a chance to enjoy this recipe. Even though I am not gluten intolerant, I do prefer to eat more things that are gluten-free and a little bit healthier. So one thing that came to mind was one of the tortillas that I do enjoy that I get from Costco, and it's by the brand Siete. So I really like this brand because it's gluten-free, it's paleo-friendly, vegan-friendly, and it's made with simple ingredients like cassava flour and almond flour. They are quite expensive though. So today I wanted to share with you a more affordable gluten-free tortilla that you can make at home. So guys, I got two things that I've never worked with before. One is cassava flour. The other is a tortilla press. Like you guys told me to get a tortilla press, okay? So I got the tortilla. Okay, this is gonna be a word that we're gonna struggle with today. Tortilla press, and we're gonna use that today for the recipe. For this recipe, we're gonna start with 1 cup of cassava flour, a 1/2 cup of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a good whisk. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or grapeseed oil. And we're gonna stir that up until it kind of gets some coarse crumbles, almost looking like cornmeal. So it should look like this, kind of like moist crumbs. So measure out a 1/2 cup of warm water, and we're gonna gradually add it to the flour until we get a soft dough. So you may need to use all the water, and you may have to add a little bit more depending on the climate that you live in. So it looks like here I need to add a little bit more water to get a nice dough. Let me grab some more water. And when it's like this, just add a little bit at a time. Almost there. Let's see. I think that's where we want to be. So the dough should be smooth, but not sticky. See that? Hey guys, ever wonder how to make plant-based eating effortless? Well, my 30-day plant-based meal plan is the answer for you. With over 39 plant-based recipes, it takes the guesswork out of mealtime, saving you time and ensuring that you enjoy nourishing meals every day. So let's simplify healthy eating together. All right, so now we're gonna cut the ball into 8 even pieces. So if one is bigger than the other, you can always pull a piece of the dough off and add it to the other. So here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna be using the tortilla press for the first time, and from what I understand, you're supposed to at least have plastic or some type of baking paper down so that you can press it in between to make it easier. So I cut up some parchment paper. So I'm gonna put the first one down. You guys let me know if I'm doing this correctly or not, okay? So we're gonna start here first. I'm putting it here first in the center. Then we're going to close it. Hey. Okay. Is that thin enough? Oh, nice. That's awesome. Thank you for you guys who showed me to go get a press, because I didn't know it would be this fabulous. That's so pretty. So as I'm pressing them, I noticed that if I put the dough in the center, that when the weight goes onto it, it kind of pushes it and it makes the edges on the right side more thinner. So I realized that I have to put it up a little bit higher towards the press part right here, or towards the base, and then put the paper down. And then crush it or smash it. Oop. And see, now it's even. So you have to start a little bit towards the edge part. So we're gonna cook the tortillas on medium to high heat for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until it gets a little bit brown. Hey guys, I wanted to get on and share some exciting news with you. So most of you guys know I've been working on a new plant-based cookbook, and it's done. This cookbook contains 40 delicious recipes, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. It's perfect for those who are new to plant-based cooking, or if you're living a busy lifestyle, or even if you just want something quick and easy to prepare but tastes delicious, this cookbook is definitely for you. I put a link in the description so you can order your cookbook today. All right, so now back to the video. Okay guys, so our gluten-free tortillas are all done. I cooked them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, and that way they stay nice and flexible. See that? Just like a regular tortilla, right? So I wanted to make sure I let you guys know that you can actually freeze these before you cook them, or even after, but I like to keep them in the freezer with the parchment paper in between each one in the freezer for about maybe a month or so. You can actually hold them for. However, you can keep them in the fridge, I think, for about a week or so before they start going kind of bad. So let me give them a try and let you know how they taste. Look at that. They even pull apart like a regular tortilla. They're so delicious, guys, and I like the fact that they stretch just like a regular tortilla. And actually, I have to say it, I think I like them even better than the Siete brands. Go figure. So definitely give this recipe a try, guys. These tortillas will be great with like a tofu scramble for the morning for breakfast, beans and rice for dinner, or whatever you eat your tortillas with. I just think they taste absolutely delicious, and I hope you absolutely give this one a try. This recipe is on my website, The Divine Chef, where you'll find tons more recipe guides that you'll enjoy. And if you want to support me and my channel, you can go over there and grab yourself one of my cookbooks, or you can click the link over there to buy me a coffee. And with that being said, I'm Rosa, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.